Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Blessing Bello, a Yoruba tutor from Nigeria with over 5 years of experience in teaching Yoruba language. I was born and brought up in Yoruba land, and I'm so passionate about teaching my native language. Are you planning to get married, or you're already married to a Yoruba indigene and you want to be able to communicate in your spouse's language and to bond with your in-laws? As you know, communication in marriage is the key factor to a strong relationship. Here is one of my students that got married to a Yoruba man. Awomoyi, your husband's name.
Oh, okay, yes, Awamoyi.
So I want you to put mark on 8, accent on 8 rather.
Okay.
Awomoyi.
Re, mi, do, re.
Okay, you're almost there. Re, mi,
Oh. Re, mi, do, mi.
Good. Re, mi, do, mi. Put
Oh.
accent on oruko.
Oh. Oruko. Re, mi, re.
Re, mi, re, good. Re, mi, re. So now can you...
Orúkọ mi ni Sister Awomoyi. Mo jẹ́ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ èdè Yorùbá. Èyí ni ẹ̀kọ́ karùn-ún tí mo máa ṣe. Mo dẹ̀ tì ní ìtẹ̀síwájú tí ó ga. I had to go back and forth. Oh, I think I'll do for another next Sunday.
Can you see that? That was just her 5th lesson with me, and she has made a whole lot of progress. So how do you feel when your spouse communicates with his or her family, either on phone or when they come visiting in Yoruba language and you do not understand? So there's nothing impossible, you too can do it. And maybe you have children and then you want them to know about your language and your culture. Wait a moment and see one of my students reading.
1 oka, 2 edi, 3 eta, 4 eri.
Good girl. Go.
Aikuade isetu, ojoru ajaba eti, abameta.
Good girl. Can you say that? Wasn't that fun enough? She's making a whole lot of progress as well. She's learning and improving. And you may have a basic knowledge of Yoruba language, but all you need to do is just to improve on your pronunciation and your accent. And you may come from Yoruba background, but all you want to do is to be communicating with your family fluently. You have nothing to worry about. You've come to the right person. Here are some of what my students have to say about me. This is one of my students, Kellan McNally from UHAS, and this is what she has to say about me. Blessing is amazing. She was so patient and kind. She gave me nothing but positive affirmations all throughout the session, especially when she could read the frustration on my face for me being hard on myself. I walked out of the session knowing that I can do it. She broke the words down and we went over everything several times until she was pleased with my pronunciation. I thoroughly enjoy my lessons and will take a class again. Bless you, Blessing. This is another student,